Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Volkswagen EOS convertible turbo, stock reference number 5121. This shape runs from the second month 2007 through to the fourth month 2011. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an auto front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine with the left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left door has 2 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tail boot lid garnish, right boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with tan leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.